This video shows you how to post cash transactions in Debonair. When you log on to Debonair, choose Cash Transactions and then choose either Payments or Receipts as required. The method of posting transactions is the same for both receipts and payments. In this video we will demonstrate using cash payments. Choose your cash account here and choose your cash account period here. And then you are ready to enter your transactions. Click here to add a transaction. Enter the date here, the amount you have paid here. Enter here the name of the person paid and the reason for the payment. Then choose the account code for the transaction. An account code is like a box in which you collect similar transactions. If you are VAT registered, enter the VAT code, which you can choose from the drop down here. Then enter the VAT amount. Debonair will then calculate the net amount for you. And then you click on Post. The entered transaction then appears here. And that's it for this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to obtain notification whenever we upload new videos. Bye for now.